Deathmatch.
There's snow in this map. I like it.
Oh, it must be Stronghold then. It's a good map.
It is.
Reporting for Overwatch.
You're a good map.
Your face is a good map.
Black Ops, you're clear
It's
to engage.
symmetrical.
So far, all the maps have been nice because they're back to the old 3v3 channel, or three lane channel. What I meant to say, Jesus. All right, where you camping? Where you camping? We both know we're both here. God damn it! Yeah, they all just stood here and waited for me. There's fucking nowhere to go. Come on, bad luck. Right.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna
behind
camp
us,
there?
Battery wasted.
I guess they probably are.
Ruin down.
No. Damn it. No.
He should be dead.
Thank you.
There you go. I put a whole clip into that.
God damn it. I can't find them fast enough. I'm trying, but... I don't know. I don't see it as necessarily being disrespectful, you know.
Heist.
I love the wall run kills. Those are always so tasty.
Battery KIA.
Really? You survive a grenade and my shots? And I die from the grenade.
That's a kill.
Ha! Bird.
Oh,
Poor birdie.
Focus ready.
Alright, new gun.
Awaiting orders.
In the turn. Sensors have captured your objective.
No! Why did you have to come through the window right then? Ah! Ah! Oh, Jesus. Yeah, there's the person I thought was showing up.
Seems to be at 50% hostile
If you...
above.
Nope! Ah, damn it. I did the only thing I could at that point.
Counter UAV power levels low. RTB.
Well, it's too late now. Fuck.
Oh, you're a piece of poop.
Done.
Like, your poop smells bad.
Infantry killed.
You and the poop right now. I don't get it, but alright.
Really? Really? You should be dead! That smells like...
Smoke check.
What? Okay, that guy... Is it Al Capone that you're having problems with?
I don't know.
Can
Is it
confirm.
Silence LMG guy that you're having problems with?
Probably everyone on my argument is
Ruin
You're not gonna
KIA.
quick scope me like that. Sorry, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of my face. Ah, fuck you, assholes. I hate that little window because
Shot
the
out.
angles suck. Oh boy. Yep, dead meat. Dead meat. I run out of bullets so fast with this gun.
That's a fucking friendly.
Combat focus up. Cypher.
Right? Ah, jeez Louise, my luck. Right,
Who
no
cares? Keep
UAVs.
killing me. Oh, everyone decided to do that.
That happens.
I'm feeling it. Starts
Asshole,
spawning
where
behind us.
the fuck are you? Oh, yeah. Of course. I'm not fighting that guy. That's fucking L Connections Capone back here. God damn it. The luck.
Really?
What's
Who
up,
cares?
XL?
Cannot kill
Who
this
don't?
guy.
No, I didn't know I was a fucking. I wish you could tell if that was a friendly or not. I have no idea half the time.
Enemy spotted.
And Screwball hosted me. What the fuck? What is going on over here? Wait. I see you. Get out of here. Alright. No, teammate! No, go away.
Hostile care package overhead.
Overwatch. Scratch.
Asshole's really through two of those things. Go, birdie, go.
This is awesome!
Actually, the funny thing, Screwball, is right this second, I'm having good luck with the connections. I died right there because I was too busy looking at chat.
Oh,
The chat. They're all behind
So,
us. They're all behind us. They're all behind
that
us.
bow and arrow,
Yeah.
3 kills with it.
Yep. There you go. Ah, fucking goddamn it! No matter which direction I go, they're fucking spawning on the other side. I'm with you.
Wasted.
Care package inbound.
Ah.
The wind's in sight. Stay on target.
I mean, the connections
Get hit
are
markers.
perfect right now, but
UAV
they
inbound.
were not working at all a little while ago.
Oh, you piece of poop!
UAV
Like your
inbound.
There's the
poop
poop.
smells like poop.
There's the poop.
I have a lot of poop to go around, alright, Gryphon?
I had to look to the right first to make sure I wasn't about to fucking. Oh, you asshole! Oh, you asshole! Wow, that thing
Hostile
shoots out of a
UAV
gun?
above.
Well, I know that now.
No, you poop! I wish they can hear me. What is that sentry gun?
Be advised. Hostile care package overhead.
She's down.
Another
Good.
win.
I didn't even get that kill.
RTB.
Alright. What's up, Knifelex?
Hardly a challenge.
How do? Damn, look at Birdie beating me out. Well played, bro.
I had a good round with that crossbow.
There you go.
I keep pressing the share button to see what the score.
Not the pure button, it's the center thing.
Yeah.
What's up, Raconius?
I'm used to a PS3
Screwball.
controller.
Hello! Because I'm not saying your phrase to you, because then you can talk shit to me. And then I'd feel depressed, and then it's all about feels bad, man.
Me, it's who cares? I couldn't kill him. Who cares, X? Couldn't pick my character. I just got a female. You have a female. The person standing in front of me has a nice ass, so it must be female.
Might be male, who knows? There are males that have nice asses. You may not be happy that they have a nice ass, because you don't want to look at it, but then you just have to
Oh, I
go,
was
well,
legit staring at it.